Okay, so I just bought Steam Deck. Yeah, I just bought Steam Deck. Okay, and also my friend is going to help me to unbox this thing. So, alright. Okay. Buka teman. I don't know how to open it. Open here. Let's set it down. The thing is, if I don't do this video thing, I cannot claim for insurance or anything related to that. Something is wrong with my, uh, this thing that I bought. I must say the packaging is good, but what is weird about this is that, the tracking system is not really up to date, so it's pretty late. All right, so here's the thing. Yeah, I need to cut it down more. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, it's already open. Okay, let's see. Mm, okay, I think the camera cannot get lower than this. But at least that is my phone camera. I would like to say thank you to my friend. Okay, here it is. Okay, I think this is the Steam Deck. I must say, I did not expect something heavy like this. It's quite heavy. Yeah, so it's quite heavy. I must say, this is going to be the best gaming laptop possible. Oh my God. Let's see, let's open this. Oh, it's still sealed. How do I open this?
Gunting.
I believe so. But yes, I will cut this down. So it just like sign off. Super. So, oh, it's pretty big. It's pretty big, I must say. Look, I thought it would be smaller than I expected.
What is it? You took it installment ya?
Oh,
Installment.
why it's not on?
Oh, ngeri. Aduh.
Hmm. Should I check it first?
Waduh. Sir, cicilan berapa tahun sir? Sir, apa Steam Deck sir? Wah, ngeri. Ngeri, Mr. Rico.
I thought it would be smaller. So let's do it again. Okay, so this is the charger. Let's open it. Okay, so I think I need an adapter for the charger. I think I need to buy an adapter for the charger. Let me look at this. Do we have adapter like this? Bro, I have to say, satunya bahasa ya, bahasa ya. Okay, I'm going to use my other charger. Well, I would like to say thanks for my bank for providing me. Um, okay. So I really need to buy an adapter for this. It's not properly charged. Okay, I need to buy an adapter first. It's still not on, as you can see. I will just buy an adapter. Okay. Okay, I will be back later on. Yeah, I will be back later on. Now, I just bought an adapter like this. Okay, because in Indonesia, the three pointy, sticks for electric socket does not really exist. We just use two pointy sticks like this. So, yeah, if you live in Indonesia, you have to buy something like this. Okay. Although the price is actually a bit more expensive in our country here, but I mean that's expected. After all, Valve does not officially sell Steam Deck yet in Indonesia. I already plug it in. So let's open the Steam Deck again. Yeah. Yeah, I think I can put the charger here later on. Okay, let's plug it in. Be careful. This is one of my dream device after all. Okay. As you can see, here it is. Here it is. And I think I need to plug the power here. Okay, I already plug in and it's on. Yeah. And then let's push the power button. Well, I have to see the guide again. Please wait. According to the guide, I have to plug the power first. Okay, it's booting up. It's booting up right now. It's booting up like this. Now let's just wait. Hmm. I must say everything looks magnificent. Everything looks magnificent. Yeah, this is an example of technological marvel. Yeah, Okay, it's on, it's on, it's on. Okay, it's on. Okay, as you can see, it's on now. Yeah, it's on. I have to choose the language. Okay, English, and it has time zone thing, time zone. Okay, let's choose my time zone. Okay, it's done. Where is Jakarta? Greenwich, West Africa, Moscow, Nepal, Central Asia. Okay, this one. Okay, now I have to connect to a Wi-Fi. Okay, I think I forgot the password though. There is a built-in touchscreen keyboard here. Okay, let's put the password of the Wi-Fi. So then, in this. Okay, connection is successful. All right, connection is successful. I have to click continue. So it's installing. I guess it's installing Steam right now. Yeah, it's installing. Okay, let's just wait. 5 minutes. It says 5 minutes, 15 seconds. I must say, on top of the Steam Deck, this is the circulation for the Steam Deck. And it's installing right now and it's pretty loud. So if you want to know, actually you can install Windows on Steam Deck, but you have to choose dual boot option for that. However, there is another problem actually. Uh, well, this is the standard version, so that means the storage is pretty low. So the what makes Steam Deck a little bit expensive, yeah, it's a you can find 10 million rupiahs of Steam Deck, and this becomes expensive because of the storage. Yeah, the system requirement or the hardware specification, it's still the same. Mhm.
Sir, gimana bro?
Hmm. Yeah, I'm still here. It's going to take 3 minutes. Yeah. Also another thing, yeah, because the port that it has, it's some kind of USB-C. Um, for Steam Deck, let's say if you want to connect your Steam Deck to a TV or something like that, to a keyboard or something like that, you have to buy a dock. And the dock, it's how do I call this? Yeah, it's a little bit pricey, yeah, but I mean, considering the flexibility of having Steam Deck, I think it's pretty worth it. And after all, it's better than, let's say, if you want to buy a laptop around this price range. I don't think you can get as any powerful machine as this one, especially in Indonesia. Let's say I already checked most of laptops that cost around 6 million or 7 million, and I must say most of them are not as powerful as Steam Deck. Mhm. Okay, it's 30 seconds. I think I'm going to install Dota on this Steam Deck and the rest of the games on my how do I call this? Yeah, and the rest of the games on my uh, you know, I bought an external SSD storage, so I think I'm just going to use that to. I think I'm just going to use that. Okay, I'm just going to use that to install other games. After all, I've been using that storage for playing games. Now, after the installation, it's how do I call this? Yeah, it's rebooting. Yeah, it's rebooting. Okay. Well, it takes a while to boot up. It's still booting up. Yeah. After all, this is first installation. It's still booting up. Mm. Okay. I think it finishes booting up. Yes. Okay, it's going to choose language again. All right. I'm already connected to the what? It's installing, and now I have to log into my Steam account. Yeah, luckily, right now, nowadays, yeah, you just need to scan uh, a QR code to sign into your Steam account. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy right now. Yeah. Okay, so that's it, folks. Welcome to Steam Deck. As you can see, it's mirrored on my camera. After all, I'm not a pro at reviewing this kind of thing. Now it says press any button or tap the screen to continue. This is the Steam button, access library, quick access button. Up here is power button. So it's basically telling the features of Steam Deck. Oh, we also have micro ID SD card slot. Okay, let's see let's see the price of micro SD card slot for Steam Deck. I hope it's not really that expensive. Remember when you buy electronic things, yeah, let's say if they have a official store in Indonesia, just buy it from official store. From Steam Deck, like it or not, you cannot buy from official store because there is no one is selling this officially. Probably it's imported things. Well, if I need new, how do I call this? If I need new storage, I will just save up some money and buy 2 TB storage later on. The thing is, I already have one. It's only 500 gigabytes though. Considering that I want to play some of, let's say, I want to play a lot of modern games. Yeah, I think it's going to be very challenging to install some. So there is a setting for this. Okay, I think that will be all. Yeah, I think if you want to buy cheap gaming laptop, just buy Steam Deck instead of buying a laptop. I mean, no matter how expensive your phone is, there is no way that you can play AAA games here.
Kurang berapa?